Hey man, Russ Whitney here, russwhitney.com. You should go to russwhitney.com, take a look at projects and the opportunity page. Some great stuff on there. I'm loving this question. I don't always get great questions that excite me. This is really good. This is coming from Yodeling Tortoise. It says, right at first refusal. I am a gut rehab guy who does some holding, but most purchase work are done with the intent to sell. I'm curious if anybody's tried to include a first right of refusal in their sale contracts when they sell. There's huge value in knowing the inside of the walls in a flip. I'd love to be able to buy flips back at appraised value, maybe lower than appraised value, and lipstick them and clean them up in 7 to 10 years when they're being sold. It seems like a super easy way to have a foot in the door without any real obligation. Do you think most buyers will be turned off by this or not care at all? Any of you do this now? Well, I'm going to tell you what. I've been doing real estate for 35 years, and this is probably one of the few I've never thought of. I think it's a brilliant idea. So what he's saying is when he sells his property, somebody fixes it up, they sell it 5 or 10 years from now, maybe they've let it run down. Excuse me, he has the first right of refusal to buy that property back. That's what he means by knowing what's inside the walls, because he did the rehab. I think it's brilliant. I don't think any seller would be put off by that at all. In fact, it's kind of giving them a guaranteed buyer if they want to sell, or a semi-guaranteed buyer. And knowing you'll buy it back might even give them more confidence to buy it from you in the first place. So, Yodeling Tortoise, hell of a question. Good job, man.